This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Evans. Move-in ready 2-story home on highly desired Rivershore Road. As you walk through the front door and turn to the left, you are surrounded by windows of light pouring in. The living room and kitchen area all open with butcher block island and great space for entertaining friends and family. As you walk out on your screened-in porch, you'll hear so many birds singing. Fully furnished frog big enough for an office space/workout area or use as a 5th bedroom. As you look out of the bedrooms, you have a view of fruit trees and the garden. Only 2 miles to everything downtown Elizabeth City has to offer and 45 minutes to the Outer Banks and Chesapeake and 5 minutes from the Coast Guard base. Surrounded by wonderful neighbors in an established neighborhood right on the river bike/walk trail. All major systems serviced or replaced in the last 4 years with a new roof in 2023. All appliances convey. Make your showing appointment now. This is a must-see. Motivated seller. For more information, review the details below or contact Pam Evans at 757-436-3636.